Hey guys, it's Media Life in USA again. So today I'm gonna show you what I got. I went to a farm store, then I bought this one. Guess what is this? This is a bird feeder. Yes guys, the name is, this video is not sponsored by the way, so I just bought this, and then I think we pay like $16 or something, or $9 something. I can't remember, I don't really see it. But this is what it is. The name is Perky Pet. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you, and then what I'm gonna do with this, and of course it's a bird feeder, so I also bought some this. I have a see, wild delight and advanced for formula for cardinals food, because we got a bunch of cardinals in our house, so I decided I will choose this one. So I'm gonna open it. See that, just a little bit right there, and then I'm gonna open this. If I can open it. I don't know how did my husband did that before. Oh, I see. Yeah, and we'll just drop right there. I just have to push the button right there and drop it. Then I'm going to drop the food here. Okay, that's it. That's enough. It's so full right now. I think I put too much. That's it, guys. It's I'm gonna read it to you what's in here. The ingredients is sunflower seed. Yeah, the ingredients was here. You can see that. Basically, I can see some sunflower and other stuff, and you know, my baby goat like this. Maybe I can bring some. Yeah, so that's it, guys. We'll see if I can close this off. My husband is the one who did it before when he... I think I just have too much, so I have to remove some. I'm just gonna put it in the... Yeah, I think I just put too much, so I'm gonna remove some. I will give it to our goats, because I know I've seen them eating like this and they really like it. So we're gonna go there anyway in a few minutes. So we're just gonna take it out some, put it here. Then I'm gonna go and lock it now. This is a little bit tricky, guys. My husband showed me how he did it before, but oh yeah, right there. Let me see that. Oh, this is getting... Oh, I just put right there. Why this thing is not locking though? Oh. Oh, I just have to pull it up. There you go. See guys, I'm done. You see that? It's coming out here. The cardinals and the other birds, we're just gonna fly and step right there. And then we're gonna eat this food. I'm gonna go outside later. I'm gonna get something. Then I'm going to hang this for our birds. This is their food. So I'll see you later. So guys, we are on the way outside in our backyard, and Kuya will be the one to climb on the ladder, and I'm going to hand this to him. And Chin Chin is our videographer, so thank you, Chin. So we're gonna go outside now. Here. Backyard here, guys. Oh, watch out the poop right there. Don't stick. There's a highway right there. We're gonna go over here. You just like put this on the nail. Be careful, I'm going to hold the ladder, okay? So back a little bit, Tim. There's a nail on the top, guys, so I use that to hang my Christmas lights. So today, Kuya will just put our bird feather right there. So. That's quick. Yeah, so right there, guys, and then you turn around, Kuya, and give up this side. Turn around. Yeah, that's it, guys. So Chin, take a video right there. That's it. That's our bird feeder. So, feeder. Feeder. Hopefully the bird will figure out that's the food for them. So I'm going to take a video soon. They're gonna come. So I just have to. Yeah, so we have to take it down. Kuya is right there bringing the ladder, so we have to take it down and put some more food for them. Yeah, so I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I put here like it's full and 2 days is gone, so we have to put some more and put it back. Okay, hi guys, so there it is now. We already put some food in here. We are ready to put put this one back there. So I'm just waiting for my son to come out, then we're ready to go. Okay, we are ready to put this back, guys. So we had some storm last night, so these branches I have to throw here. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, D-Lifers, Team Thursday and Team PUC. Thank you so much.